We are now in Ethiopia in the south. The area is called Sidama and this area is called Finincha. So this compound is a Bible school and a kindergarten and a school. It's like a holistic facility. We have guest house. This thing what you have seen, what you are seeing now in the building is for school. It's up to grade 8. We have about 700 kids. So the school is a bit old, so it needs to be repaired. So we are glad about our friends who are doing the repairing, the painting and the ceiling. So it's good when people pray for us, and we're trying to reach the community here, teach them how to live and how to develop, give them education. So it's a very nice area.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for receiving us and giving us an opportunity that we can be a little part of your work here.
Oh, you're welcome. You can come anytime. Anybody can come and visit, be part of it.
Okay. And as well, I want to thank for our supporters from America who helped us somehow that we could buy some materials, paint and plywood boards for the ceilings and so on, and other things needed for the repairings. May God bless you so much. Here we come to the classrooms a little inside. Here we already started and managed to fix the ceiling at least a little, and we started painting. There is still work going to be done. This is the second classroom. We started fixing the ceiling here as well. Took the benches out. Mainly in one classroom there are about 70-80 children studying together. Here are the bathrooms and the toilets and some offices for the teachers. Here is another building of the school. Altogether there are about 700-800 children studying in this school. And they are from the community, mainly free of charge. They can study here in this compound. Many greetings from Ethiopia and goodbye.